Hey everybody! So today we want to open this thing because I wanted to compare it, almost dropped it, to my Comica mics. Alright, so we've got the Hollyland Lark M2S. This is a wireless mic system for Type-C smartphones. So let's go ahead and open it up here. The very front and center is don't do microphone this way or that way. So I'm going to guess the little thing that goes on the outside is the actual mic. And we got a manual. Let's actually open this one up. So this is everything that's included in the box. Got a charging case, reverse camera, receiver for camera, whatever. Stuff. And then thank you, get in touch, after sales service. Okay. And then we have quite nice little package. And there's more stuff in there. Oh, there's a little pull tab. Oh, and a bag. All right. Inside the bag is a dead cat. Yep. Okay, so we got a Type-C and Type A port cable, a 3.5mm headphone jack to headphone jack, so for regular cameras, and we have a Type-C to Lightning, so you can connect this to your iPhone. Cool. Real quick, I wanted to show, because I was watching my footage back and the iPhone cable for the M2S is a Lightning to USB-C, but it's not a female USB-C, it's a male USB-C. So what that allows is you can power the receiver via cable. So right now this is connected to my computer over USB A to C, and it works. I was quite surprised. So that's what the iPhone cable is for. Anyways, back to the regular video. And a dead cat. And oh, it has a little pocket to slide the mic into. Okay, can key. Man, Hollyland. So this is the receiver for camera. There is a little piece of tape covering the pogo pins so it wasn't charging all the time. Got a little dial. Feels like it's an infinite dial. And then a pairing button, and there's your 3.5mm jack to camera adapt plug. And then this is, oh, there's it charging. This is the cell phone one. So plugs in to your cell phone, and you got one mic and two mic indicator lights and a pairing button, and then a USB-C which is really nice because it lets you charge your phone while this is plugged in. Okay. And finally, our microphones. Oh, that's quite tiny. And a pairing button. That's it. Let's put the dead cat on. There we go. Dead cat and all. Does it fit in with the dead cat? No. So you have to take it off. But yeah, that is quite simple package. And for me, goes in the backpack with no issue. Because with these Comicas, it's a big box because it doesn't have a nice carrying thing. Also, USB-C for the base or box because it is also a charger. So really nice. Let me put one on and see what it looks like. I'll put it on my glasses because you won't see it under my beard anyways. Okay, so there is my Comica lanyard, and then there is the Hollyland mic. So the Comica is a wired lanyard. So, but it can do wireless, it's just my beard rubs the mic like crazily. I forgot to include a how it sounds in the unboxing. So, hi, this is the next day editing me, and there's the microphone with the dead cat on because my beard, it likes to rub things. So, anyways, thanks for watching.